Creating your fairy garden, a magical miniature world. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the enchanting world of fairy gardens. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, this video will guide you through everything you need to know to create your own little piece of magic at home. Let's embark on this magical journey together and learn what a fairy garden setup entails. A fairy garden is a miniature garden arrangement designed to lure in fairies and other mythical creatures. It's not just a garden, it's a storytelling piece where you create a tiny world filled with imagination and wonder. These gardens often include small plants, miniature furniture, tiny houses, and other whimsical accessories that create a scene or tell a story. The first step in creating your fairy garden is to decide where it will live. You can set up your fairy garden indoors or outdoors, depending on your space and preferences. When choosing a container, you can get creative. Old pots, baskets, broken planters, or even wheelbarrows can be transformed into a beautiful fairy landscape. Remember, the container should have good drainage to keep your plants healthy. When selecting plants for your fairy garden, look for small-scale plants that fit the miniature theme, such as mosses, succulents, or dwarf plants. The next step is to add accessories. This is where your imagination truly comes to life. From tiny benches and tables to miniature houses and pathways, these details add character and charm to your fairy garden. Now, it's time to bring your fairy garden to life. Start by adding a layer of soil to your container, then arrange your plants before adding the accessories. Think about the story you want your garden to tell. Perhaps you're creating a fairy village, a magical forest, or a miniature beach scene. Arrange your elements in a way that brings your vision to life, keeping in mind the scale and proportion to maintain the enchanting illusion of a tiny world. Maintaining your fairy garden is crucial for its longevity. Water your plants as needed, and be mindful of their light requirements. If you've set up your garden indoors, make sure it receives enough indirect sunlight. Every now and then, you might want to update or rearrange your garden to keep the magic alive and thriving. Creating a fairy garden is a delightful project that combines gardening, creativity, and storytelling. It's a wonderful way to add a touch of magic to your home and spark your imagination. We hope this video has inspired you to start your own fairy garden setup. Remember, the most important ingredient is your creativity, so let it run wild. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see what magical worlds you create.